Welcome back to our number names series. In our last two videos, you learned how to spell the numbers from 0 to 10 and 11 to 20. Today, we are going to be focusing on the rounded up numbers 30, 40, 50, and so on up to 100. Learning the number names for these rounded up numbers is important to spell other large numbers. We'll start by going through each of these numbers one by one, and spelling them out. Remember, the key to mastering number names is practice and repetition. So, be sure to revise these numbers regularly and stay tuned for our next video where we'll take your number spelling skills to the next level. Let's get started. Thirty. T H I R T Y 30. Forty. F O R T Y 40. 50. F I F T Y 50. 60. S I X T Y 60. 70. S E V E N T Y 70. 80. E I G H T Y 80. 90. N I N E T Y 90. 100. H U N D R E D 100.